Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create how to live on YouTube with your pre-recorded video. For this process you just have to install the OBS Studio in your laptop or computer. For this you just have to, first of all you have to create scene and media source. To create a scene, click plus button icon and create a, you can rename the scene name, it's optional. After that okay, so I don't create because I have already a scene, you see. After that you have to create a media source. To create media source, click plus button icon and go media source, click OK. You can rename or not, it's up to you, and click OK. After creating media source, browse your file that you want to live. Click browse and go video. Just I want to live the video, so to live the video, select your video and open. I am not going to open it now, and after you open the video, your video show here and click OK. After that, now you have to get your stream key on YouTube. To get stream key, now you go create and go live. You can edit your video metadata from edit button. If you click here, you can write your gig title, description, thumbnail, etc. from there. So I am not going to edit anything. After that you just have to copy your stream key from there. Just click copy. Now go back your stream OBS Studio. After come back OBS Studio, just go settings, and here are some options. So you just have to go stream. After stream, just select your service, which platform you want to go live. Just you want to go YouTube. After that you just which method you want to use. Here are two methods. One is connected account, it's your YouTube account will be connected here. I am not going to this process. I am using stream key from there. So now I delete the previous stream key and paste the new one that I copied, and click apply and click OK. After that you will show the video here, but I did not select my video, for the reason you don't see. Now everything is okay. You have to click the stream, start stream. After click the start stream, your browse will show your video will be live here. So let me select a video, media source, double click on media source, browse and select the video and okay. If I after click OK button, my screen will show the video. You don't see any option there, so let me clear one option. After click OK, you just have to click start streaming on this option. So let's do it. Click OK and start streaming.